Morning meditations. Do you wake up tired, depressed, or unmotivated? Start your day by engaging in morning meditation. Perhaps you are afraid to begin a guided morning meditation practice because you find the thought of meditating too intimidating, or you lack the time to devote to a morning meditation practice. Maybe you have persuaded yourself that meditation is too quiet for your thoughts, and you have undoubtedly concluded that you are not very good at it. Don't be anxious if you are unconvinced about the benefits of everyday meditation. We are here to help you with meditating in the morning in your own unique way. Learning some fundamental morning meditations to include in your daily routine, as well as some simple meditation practices, will make a great influence on your life. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ideas on how you can improve your health. Also, please like and comment on this video if you have done meditations on your own way, or if you find these tips to be a wonderful help in starting your morning meditation journey. Here are the best 5 guided morning meditations that you can try. Number 1. Sun Salutation Morning Meditation. A sun salutation is a strategic sequence of yoga positions. The emphasis is on moving through the postures thoughtfully with the breath. While performing a sun salutation thoughtfully, one can attain a flow-like state. First, take a deep inhale and raise your arms high over your head. Exhale, then fold forward, keeping your knees slightly bent. On your next inhale, straighten your spine as you place your hands on your thighs. Exhale and melt again into a forward fold. Next, step your feet into a plank stance with your hands on the mat. Lower down with your triceps slightly skimming your rib cage from straight legs or bent knees. Your entire body should be flat on the mat. Keep your hands on the earth and lift your head, neck, and chest off the mat as you inhale. Exhale and return to a downward facing position. If you are new to yoga, practice with a certified instructor or find a yoga video that teaches you the proper alignment to avoid injuring yourself. Allow yourself to be led through the practice so that you may concentrate on your breathing as you move from one pose to the next. Number 2. Walking Morning Meditation. Walking meditation involves both movement and concentration. This, like outdoor exercise, is able to enhance serotonin and endorphins for greater energy and a happy mood. To begin, take slow, careful steps as if you were walking on thin ice. Begin slowly inhaling through the nose and counting the number of steps you take. Then, exhale softly and count your steps. While walking, count your steps with each inhalation and exhalation. Maintain your pace while paying attention to your breath and body. To prevent distraction, avoid crowded environments with a high volume of people or vehicles. A pathway with plenty of open space is good. After you have finished, shift your attention to the sights around you and breathe in and out consciously as you slowly return to your regular pace. Number 3. Mindful Morning Shower Meditation. You may easily include meditation into your morning shower routine. If you shower first thing in the morning, it is a good idea to remove all distractions while showering. Yet you can play soft instrument music in the background if you choose. Concentrate on the sensation of water streaming over the top of your head and down your entire body. Envision the water purifying your body and mind of stress, anxiety, and concern. Pay attention to the five senses. This can help with grounding for less tension and anxiety, as well as boosting long term energy and focus. Be aware of the water and air temperatures. As you wash, smell the various soaps and shampoos. Allow yourself to enjoy the moment by closing your eyes and standing beneath the water. If you become distracted, return to the one of your senses. This shower meditation takes no additional time out of your day. It is simply a method to bring present moment awareness into your routine. Number 4. Breathing morning meditation. Deep breathing is another way to boost energy and focus. Begin by breathing in through your nose. Exhale forcefully through the nostrils while contracting the diaphragm. Allow your belly to expand as you inhale, then contract as you exhale. Aim for 3 beneath cycles each second and avoid breathing for more than 15 seconds without pausing. As you progress, you can add 5 seconds at a time, working your way up to a minute of practice. If you feel any unpleasant side effects, stop practicing and resume normal breathing. Reverse breathing, where your belly expands on exhale and contracts on inhale. It is common but should be avoided. Number 5. Mantra morning meditation. Mantra-based meditation has been shown in studies to significantly decrease anxiety levels. To begin, simply inhale and exhale while chanting Om aloud. You can use your phone to set a timer for as long as you need to practice. After you have finished, sit in silence for a few moments to notice any new thoughts or sensations that take place. Tips to start your morning meditation. Now that we have covered our 5 suggestions for morning meditation, and you are still here, we have a bonus tip for you. Whether you are new to meditation or returning to the practice, start with 5 to 10 minutes and work your way up to longer periods of time. Before you begin, you can establish an objective, but you should begin without prejudice to any particular conclusion or how your meditation practice should be. To set yourself up for a serene start to your day, meditate first in the morning. To begin your morning meditation, follow these simple steps. First, find a room that is quiet and free of distractions. Play some soothing background music, light incense, or diffuse essential oils. Second, create a regular time. Make daily meditation a priority. Schedule it and practice at the same time every day. Furthermore, dress comfortably. Set a timer after that to get rid of stress. Begin your daily meditation practice with 5 to 7 long and steady deep breath. Finally, concentrate on your thoughts. It could be focused on an item your breathing, or a mantra. You will have thoughts and sensations in your body, and you may hear sounds in your surroundings. Everything is normal. Simply return to your meditation activity whenever you become aware of this. So, which of the five tips are you going to try first? Maybe you have done some of these things without realizing you could meditate while doing them. Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. If you find this video useful for your daily meditation, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more videos that will undoubtedly help you live a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.